All right, let's take a look at this trade idea I just come across today. So if you look at this trade idea, here is what we are looking forward in this trade. So the market is actually trading down. We're on a downtrend. If you're looking at 1 hour, look at our 1 hour um, trading idea. You will find out that we have been trading downward. You can see we have a break of structure. We have a retest to this point, a retest. I'm sorry, a retracement. Now we're about to break structure down to the side. So coming back to 15 minutes, all we are just doing now is just understanding structure first. So if you come to 15 minutes, market went this direction, change the direction back again now. It has broken structure, retested the point where the market broke structure, though it's created liquidity at this point. But we are less concerned about this liquidity for now. We are less concerned about the liquidity over there for now. So now market is coming down. So now there is a rejection because of the zone around this point. So well, we know this market is going to continue trading downward. But all this structure between is not what we are really after for now. What we are actually after is what is happening in the lower time frame. Is what is happening in the lower time frame. Every day there's always manipulation in the market. But knowing how to read those manipulations is what matters. So as for me, this zone, there's a zone around here. There's a zone around here. This zone, a lot of people are going to see it as a change of character here. But to me, the exact zone I'm looking for is this particular point. Now, this zone has faked a lot of people. I believe this zone is going to fake a lot of it. That's why I mark this point as a smart money trap for people that they are going to put their stop losses and then looking forward to like short it down. But another thing is we are very close to the New York opening, which is going to be opening by 3:30. We are just like okay, like 39 minutes away from New York opening. And anything between now and 39 minutes, I'm expecting the market to take out this one because Asia I was not taking out. London high is not yet taking out as well. I want the situation whereby the London high is taken out, even peradventure the Asia high as well is taken out before there is a change in market direction. Then we enter the trade. So let's take a look at what's going to happen on this trade. So I'm expecting this point to be a trap. So I'm expecting a liquidation above this line or a liquidation above this line or liquidation above this line. So I feel the market might not be able to get to this point, but I'm expecting it to break above this point. When it's break above this point at the New York opening window, then we come in the New York opening window and then short. So I will record this for now and leave it and then get back to you on this trade after before the New York session opens. So I'll send an after to you for us to see. Thank you. So, all right, welcome back. Now let's come in and see what price did at this point. Let's see what price did. Price just did the magic just the same way we expected it to happen. So, like we said we are waiting for smart money traders to get liquidated. Why? Because this place, people will count it as a point of interest here. So people will see this place as a point of interest. Since we are trading downward, they will count it as a point of interest and then feel like okay, when we see a confirmation, we enter our trade now. The first confirmation it is not going to happen, and what happened? People got liquidated. I marked this place as smart money traps. If anybody saw that analysis earlier, or you can check this video earlier, I marked this point as smart money trap, and then look at it. People claim price trigger their point, their entry went the direction it wants. They all want the market to go, and then all of a sudden they get taken at the first time. But as for me, I already know I'm waiting for this point to get liquidated because why? Today there is no major key session liquidation that has happened, and I'm waiting for at least a key section to be liquidated. Asia was not liquidated, and now London too has not been liquidated. We can't just continue the market in the street. We need to change direction. The retracement is needed and before the continuation. So now price got to this point. A lot of traders are here already because they feel this is a point of liquidity. Like everybody knows, smart money traders. So a lot of traders are here. They already most already set the aggressive entry here already. So now what happened is that when price got here and liquidated them house, if you come to this point, you are going to see what I mean. When price got to this point, it first gave them the first reaction and then liquidated them house. But what happened is that when price got to this point, most people already counted this as liquidity, as liquidation, price liquidation. You understand? But what did the price did? Price took them all out because if you're even going to do something like this, it has to take out these points. Looking from the fact that we've already taken our smart money traders for the day, so you have to wait for it to change this character first. But it didn't happen. That did not happen. So now market continue upward. Now what happened? Because you can see this point here that stop losses will be over this region. Now, what happened is that price triggered the stop losses, and stop losses is what move aggressively like this. People stop losses move aggressively to this point, and when prices stop losses got liquidated, the market changed direction. And there's this two leg confirmation we used to do after a proper liquidation of the market. We have the first leg and then the second leg liquidation. So after the first leg was formed and then the second leg, I put my entry on the second leg, and you can see price came to the second leg, triggered it first, and then trigger it again before moving to the direction I wanted it to go. You can see the liquidity flows with New York section launch period. You can see the entry on launch, New York launch period. That's New York afternoon, and then New York PM in the evening. The liquidity continues. I didn't even do any further analysis on it because I didn't know that's the direction. If you look at this particular zone as well, you will still find your entry before the New York section open. Now, if you take a look at this, you find out that there is a change of character here, and then if you come to 5 minutes to pick an entry in this zone before the New York opening, before the New York PM opening, you will find that there is this other block here that got triggered, and then still continue because we're trading continuation. We're trading continuation. That's how sweet these things are. That's how sweet these things are. So thank you very much for staying by with me. I will see you in the next video.